The Worldwide Steel Building's web truss framing system requires chord braces to brace the inside flange of your columns and roof trusses. The locations required will be shown as dashed lines on your W drawings. Your columns and roof trusses will have small tabs welded onto the inside flange at each chord brace location, as shown here. The quantity and length of your chord braces will be identified on the Building Shipment Summary page of your shipment list, and the installation hardware will be identified on the Truss Hardware List. For the attachment of the chord brace to the column or roof truss, you will use a bolt and nut. For the attachment of the chord brace to the purlin or girt, you will use a Tek screw. Ensure your columns are straight and your roof trusses are vertical and plumb before installing your chord braces. First, attach your chord brace to the truss using the specified bolt and nut and tighten. Next, bend the chord brace to a 45-degree angle from the truss and attach using 2 Tek screws into the purlin or girt. For interior frames, you will install a chord brace on each side of the column or roof truss out to the purlin or girt. The chord brace on your end wall frames will be installed towards the inside of your building. Continue installing your chord braces until all braces required are in place. Thanks for choosing Worldwide Steel Buildings. Got questions? Give us a call at 1-800-825-0316 or visit our website at worldwidesteelbuildings.com.